my door.
The wet, you want to take it off. So, steer clear of putting your thumb over here. This slide moves back.
Ruger Alaska.
So now,
I like the grip.
first, a little up.
It's where you stop.
Got the handgun? Should we grip around?
Three with the right.
Nine range, she'll put. Okay? Last round, we'll lock it all down.
That's stopper power, man. Holy shit.
I'm smoking your ammo.
Yeah, but
What ammo is that?
Hey Richie, Bullet and Broadheads. Go to the range, we like to have a good time. There's nothing wrong with that. Go with friends, have a good time. But in my opinion, the ultimate goal is to learn something that day, or try something new, or make sure what you're doing is working. So go into the range, have a good time. You can see I went to the range, shooting a lot of different guns, having a good time. But there should be at least one thing you want to work on that day. Be it attack reload, be it drawing from the holster, if your range permits, one-handed shooting. Whatever it is that day, you should focus on one thing. Keep a notebook. I keep a little notepad on my range bag, and when I get home I write down if there's something I wanted to learn that day or pay attention to. Hey, you get a new gun. I always like to videotape, not for YouTube, but make sure the rounds are ejecting right, or everything else is just something I'm doing wrong, or something that I'm not noticing, and I watch it on video and I realize, oh, I did that wrong, or whatever. You know, some type of malfunction drill. Whatever it is, just go to the range, have a good time, but learn something that day, or focus on something. Be it a skill, a new light, a new trigger, whatever it is. Just learn something that day. So that's it, Richie, Bullet and Broadheads, quick little video. Have a good time, but also learn something. Bullet Broadheads, here comes a plane. Over and out.